Ano man?
Muna yung entrance.
1,000 baht?
Taga-isa. Tilihan naman no. Kani, market na. Kani, market. Elephant. Market, elephant. Monkey. Market, elephant, monkey, crocodile. Market, elephant, monkey, crocodile, long neck.
May lahi na sila?
Oh. Kani, isa lang. Kani, duha. Tulo, upat, lima, tanan.
No monkey, no crocodile. You can tell me. I show you. ถ้า you go market, elephant and long neck ก็ 2,000. No monkey, no crocodile. And you can shake.
ทำไม
Ano ni siya day?
Long neck willet. กะเหรี่ยง
Ah,
long
tama
neck.
na ganitong long neck.
Lumik
mga
ang duway. Sa may mayo?
Dutoy.
Kaya dahil kuhan, saan din siya?
Only market.
Floating market no.
Market temple. Market temple. Market temple. Elephant.
Kato na lang ko ano? Ang sana? 1,500 or kanang tag 1,000?
1,500 market elephant.
Bakit inipan?
Manakay
Kani,
ba
tulo
sa kayo na
Market elephant. ถ้า you don't want monkey, don't want crocodile, you want lady ก็ same. Market
Pwede man eh,
elephant.
wala na
long neck.
ning wala na ning pasog liog oh.
Hindi, ano, tas blue.
Never mind. I
How
think.
about four?
Oh.
Monkey, elephant,
Market,
market and
elephant,
Ponggol.
monkey,
this.
this.
2,500.
2,500.
Market,
Floating.
market, temple, elephant, monkey, crocodile, 5.
How many hours?
About 3 hours.
About 3 hours.
Dugay pa din no.
No entrance here. You know this, no entrance.
Already
No
in
pay, no
France.
pay.
No pay, no pay.
Yeah.
This
Include
only.
Ah.
Totalเนี่ย include here. You buy, you want eat, you want shop, you pay.
Yeah, you
No, that's
Okay,
include
okay.
here.
No
Extra no
entrance,
here.
yeah.
So you go market, temple, elephant, monkey, crocodile here.
Loko
Hindi
sugdo eh.
nagatubangan mahal. Itaod tong kuan ba para magunitan nimo.
Ala.
Hinay lang po.
Kuhaan be katong sa tao ka na.
Dira sa iyo.
Sa ba na po naglisod na po. Kailan rin pagkuhan na na
Dili ni masingking. Lomos.
Pinsya na.
Lolo.
Kaya na da.
Ay, kuwan o.
Wow!
Training.
Floating market in Thailand! Woo!
Pinsya na.
Kinshana!
3 mil ka. Ayo.
Kaayo! Kinshana!
Oh, inom ka beer. Saka na po, gonggong ang tubig.
Tubig ko eh.
Ay, coconut wine na.
Oh, kunat.
No.
Pringles. Yaw, ano?
Guys, kung ato mong Thailand, ato mo din sa floating market. Ay, gwapo kayo. Wala nga sa Pilipinas. Bash ko nyo, wala mo. Ay, kato. Right, sana may kinayasong na bags. Dapat mga mga bags.
Wow.
Sumayutin.
Tuwatin. Red Bull look? Cup? No. Okay.
Not expensive. And you smoking, you want X-ray ไหมคะ
Utin daw, utin.
Nasa like ko ano katong sa taga na magbigay magkalita tong ano.
Message. You see, never mind.
How much for that?
How much?
Sa'yo mo papa.
You want this one go? How much? Only one bigger size.
Yaw.
Oh.
You want how many baht? You like
Uy!
Nagasa mo.
Okay,
No.
next time, Aaron. Next time.
มาคู่กันใช่ไหมว่าแล้วตามกันแล้ว You want this one?
Ayaw.
No.
No? Yummy
No.
feet. I have a bigger size na. This one more.
No.
No?
Ray po, may magnet oh.
Huwag marijuana.
Iwan marijuana.
Huwag size na. Big magnet.
Rep magnet kaya nakapalit ka?
Ano, pero mahal na.
This one
No.
at Booting Market.
Okay.
You see. Okay?
No.
Ayo, sakay, thank you.
Kailan diri?
Later.
Yun, sunod.
Okay, in Thailand. So I just want to tour only. I don't want to buy. So guys, kung sa ikatulong mark kuha nila tindahan.
Mahal.
Pagkatsoy dito sa Thailand. So wala sulod.
So nilang market.
Ay, dara itong dapat yung tinting oh.
Dili na mao, lahit ko. Napi ka na. Hindi sulod sila.
Awang makinaw.
Uy, nang naog lagi mo. Mamalit mo dala.
Mabili na eh.
Ah, dila yung naog.
Kapalit yung kahat yan.
Let's go.
Kung may helicopter. Nagkakose yung balay lang.
Kung ano, nasa kamot. Pong choy.
How much?
850.
Ah, this is the bigger size and small size. You want small?
Uy, napadali ako.
Pila ng bracelet nila?
This?
Ay,
Make from store, Lucky Store.
How much for bracelet neck Lucky Stone? 750.
What
Tell me
repeat?
that I can buy one next to you can tell me about how much? You discount?
Okay.
You ask her this one about how much? Man and woman.
Hangyo lang daw, hangyo.
And this is what?
Come on, bilang.
Pero iba sulat na, di ba ko niya?
It's okay, it's okay.
How much? Lucky for pound. You tell me.
I have stone, bracelet stone.
How much? You tell me. Oh, one extra. Extra how much? Bracelet how much? Yes. This one wood. I'll pick up.
Saan na siya?
Saan ito pagpalit ko ako may kwarta?
How much? Just what?
Tubig, tubig!
Big friend.
No.
Let's go
No.
na!
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You discount?
Nakapalit naman. Eh, goodbye na. Nakapalit.
Thank you.
I have.
Next destination. Later oh.
Baka mahal ko yun. Baka na akong ipamalit na sa ano. Kaya yung ipalitan na, lapuy ang lagapuho sa balay. Uy,
Yung sana.
ngay, ano, balay o. Ah, dara.
Ana, water.
Na, mahal yan ang tubig niya.
Ana. Napalit pa coconut.
Ano yan? Ano dyan ni Uncle?
Hello. Yan ang kuan mo sige sa mabalik ka lang.
Nakapalit na ta.
Parang dagdag ko na rin.
Ha?
Parang dagdag nasa court na ito.
Hindi na mag-video ka mag-tour sa
Ah.
balik.
Uy,
Oh, naiiwan.
hello, bantay.
Ba,
Lagapuho, ano ko?
ano yung ipaupat na market ng last one?
Uy, babi.
Ipaupat
Lulululu.
sa tindahan.
Uy, kapagot, hal.
Okay.
Need food.
kasi.
Lo, bukuday lo.
Wow, nice dress. Oh, bayad dulu kita. Okay, next.
Buko, ang tato pure.
Mahal. Ice cream daw, nalo ice cream.
Actually, sa floating, floating market nila. Meron balik yan lang, mga Thai bag, mga frame, mga souvenir,
Na, diretso na. Ano po, George?
parang yung mga frame,
Sige, lagot. Part man na sa lahang kuan, halang dito. Wala makakita ko tadi ba?
Oo, sa ano.
Ay, lagi mo panudlo po. Sige, mo panudlo mo na munong. Tanaw lang ba?
picture only. I don't want to buy because I have no money. No money but you.
Pero buko. Buko.
May mga frame nila ngayon.
Fresh coconut.
Coconut.
Orang-orang ko.
Fresh coconut.
Ato na naman sila.
Sila na. Hello guys! Coconut!
Coconut.
Wala.
Patay.
Tulog sa mga sticky rice na.
Pochili. Coconut.
Hello!
Hello, Mario. Lu, nalagyan na yung mga kontro. Sige rin. Hindi na.
Coconut. 100.
Ah, kape ko, kape. Pila dila?
Kape siya si kape.
Coconut.
Coconut din, coconut ice cream ka?
Kape.
Saan nila ito? How much that Chucky? Chucky. No, Chucky.
No, da! Chucky! Chakadal!
How much?
Yeah!
Chucky
Good
dal.
guy. 100. Oh, 200.
Okay, 200.
Oh,
600.
200.
200, I'm sorryค่ะ
Vintage.
บุกไป
Coconut.
เป็น600
Fresh coconut.
เฟสค่ะ
Yeah.
ทำอะไรคะ
250.
Ay, mag fresh coconut mo.
500 โอเค
Uy, fresh coconut.
Ang buti yan, coconut ka dong.
Coconut.
2.
ชูโคนัทดิ้ง
Yeah.
Vintage, no?
แอนด์คุณสมูทตี้ไหมคะแมงโก้ซิคิวไร
Okay, 100. Ganyan lang na ako.
Nabi 1,000 last.
คุณสมูทตี้แอนด์แมง
Ako
โก้
mo
ซิ
ba
คิวไร
itong betas ko ano? Dito.
แอนด์
Already eat.
Coconut. Coconut.
300.
ที่เป็น I'm sorry
300.
500 โอเค please
10 na na.
อีพันสี่ค่ะไอดีเขา400
300. 300.
Count.
ไอ
300.
Na.
I'm sorry ค่ะ โอเค please
Ah. Tanaw sa ko. Pwede.
เป็นมะพร้าวเปล่าหมู